Hello everyone. Today's topic is ray model of a light. Light travels in a straight line until unless it hit by an object. Okay. What is a ray? Ray is a straight line that represents the path of a beam of light. If this is a source, light is spread in all directions from this source. And these are the rays that represent the path of a beam of a light. We use ray model to predict where shadows will form and how large will they be. Okay, so let's see a ray diagram to predict how a shadow is formed. This is the source of a light. This is the screen on which the shadow is formed. This is object. Okay, so draw a line from the source to the screen, touching the edges of the object. You can predict where the shadow will form. As in this case, the shadow will form here. Since this is the area from where the light does not pass through the object, or this object blocks the light. So on the screen, in this area, the shadow will be formed. Now move the object closer to the light source. This is the object. And draw the rays from the source. You can see that the shadow that is formed is bigger than the previous one. As you move closer to the light source, this object blocks more portion of the light and the shadow that is formed will get bigger and bigger. Okay, so let's see a video. You can see in this video that as you move this notebook closer to the light, you can see the shadow will get bigger. Since as you move it closer, it blocked a more portion of the light. So you get a bigger shadow. This is how you use the ray diagram to predict where the shadow will form and how large it will be. Also, using the ray model, you can see that as you bring the object more closer to the light, it has more brighter. The object will get the more light on it, so it will be brighter. Now let's move to the objects. Water transparent, translucent and opaque object. You can see some objects that block the lights, like the wall. Okay, wall of your room, they block the light. If all the sides of the room are closed with a wall, no light will pass through it. Okay, this kind of objects are called opaque objects that does not allow light to pass through it. Some examples are book, wall, desk or any solid thing. Okay, transparent objects. Transparent objects are objects that allow light to pass through it, such as air. You see air in your room, but if there is a light bulb, so it spread the light in the whole area of the room. Although there is air, but since the light passes through the air, so the air is a transparent object. Also, the lenses of your eyes are transparent, so the light passes through your lenses. Water is a transparent object. Glass are transparent object. Now, what is translucent object? Translucent objects are objects that allow some light rays to pass through it, but not all. For example, paper, plastic, they are translucent objects. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. will come with some more videos. Please subscribe my channel.